Hello, it's Miss Esther, and today we're going to learn about the letter L. L, the lizard. She likes to lick lollipops, and every time she licks a lolly, she puts out her tongue and goes like this. Oh, oh, oh. So pretend you're holding a lollipop and pretend to lick it. Put your tongue right in front of your teeth or right behind your teeth, either way. But make this sound. Oh, oh, oh. Perfect. Here we go. Oh, I want to introduce you. This is fun. I have made the letter L, the lizard. This little L, the lizard, is found on the Amazing Action Alphabet activity book. And she is going to lick with us in the story these things. And it's lemon, licorice, a leaf, and a lettuce. So every time she licks it, she's going to make that oh sound. Here we go.
When a morning came, all the song is finished. And the lizard licks a lemon lollipop. Oh, oh, oh is the sound she makes during each lick. After eating licorice for lunch, she pulls out her lemon-flavored lollipop for a few more licks. Oh, oh, oh. Late in the afternoon, she lies lazily under a lamp and takes a few more licks. Oh, oh, oh. Even after eating.
Isn't that fun that she eats all these things that start the L sound? So you can make your own L the lizard, like I did right here, and I did stamp paint on this. And remember, when you open the mouth and have her stick out her tongue, she gets to make that sound. Oh, oh, oh. Here is a fun snack you can make with square crackers. I lined up a long line here and a short line there to make the letter L for my snack for the day. Here's another fun activity you can do. I made a lollipop and I put some plastic covering on it. And if you can say the beginning sound of these pictures, then we're going to cover up the beginning sound with a little sticker. So here is a lollipop, lollipop. So once you've found the sound L for lollipop, you get to cover it up. And cat, there you go. So that's a fun way to review your beginning sounds. So those of you that are ready to go into your reading book, the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginner Reader, I brought some of my reptiles out and they're going to help us with this story. So this is a reptile and he's a turtle and his name is Al. Al. Al's the turtle and Al's going to be in our story. So I'm going to put Al right here. And then this is another fun character in our story, and his name is Hal. He's a dinosaur. Well, let's read this one. Cal, and Cal's our snake in the story. Sal, and Sal's in our story. And I even named our little alligator. Her name is Lil. So once you read this story, you're going to find out about how all these reptiles are trying to get some lollipops and how they take them from the lollipop stand. The hardest part of the story will be to read the names. So that's why it's fun to have your names practiced with the reptiles like we've done right here. Another fun activity you can do with the word family, il and al, is I made an a lizard. And here's Al on the back of that lizard. And if I put an H in front, it's Hal or Cal. Let's make a fun word. We can do made up words. Mal. On the back side, got ill. We can do the same thing. There's mill, hill, some fun things we can do with the word families. Okay, so when you're ready to write it, those of you that are on the beginning writing stage, you can use the first book, the Amazing Action Alphabet Handwriting Book. And those of you that are on level 2, that's the Amazing Action Alphabet Handwriting 2. Use your tree template. And the L is kind of an easier one. L falls down from the apple all the way down to the mouse hole and across to the grass. And the baby L simply goes from the apple straight down to the mouse hole. Okay, so let's review what we've talked about so far. Okay, ready? My poor lizard just fell off. Okay, here we go. Big M, little M, Big T, little t, 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 t. Big A, little a, ah, ah, ah. Big S, little s, s, s. Big B, little b, 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 b. Big H, little h, ha, ha, ha. Big C, little c, k, k, k. Big I, little I, eh, eh, eh. Big L, little L, o, o, o. And don't forget to practice your word list. You want to be able to read those words as fast as you can. These activities and more can be found on the website at www.cheardocompany.com.